parent of Adira, studying at senior KG at Kids BHL, MAG, and I want to share our wonderful experience of Adira with this code. Um, Coming to my child, she has shown amazing improvement in reading, writing, numbers, and overall skills, academic skills. Um, the teaching methods are playful, engaging, and perfectly designed for early learners. This school also offers great balance of studies and extracurricular activities. Adira loves music, dancing, singing, and concept-based learning activities. We have seen tremendous growth in confidence, creativity, and social skills. She also has um, the independent and curious to enjoy and coming to school every day. Um, Also, regarding one of our greatest observation is regarding communication skills. She speaks confidently, expresses ideas clearly. I thank school for everyday conversation. And coming to the, if I want to talk regarding the teachers, they are very caring, supportive, patient. They help students in almost every activities. Even the non-teaching staff supports the kids as well regarding the hygiene and the comfort within the premises of the school. Management is organized and also always approachable. Uh, we receive clear communications and regular updates from the school. So overall, we are very happy with the Kidsi management and also the growth of our daughter, what we have seen from the past 3 years. So I thank Shilpa ma'am and teachers of Kidsi.
Hello everyone, my name is Monica, mother of Akira. She is studying in grade 2. It's been 3 years my child is studying here. We are very much satisfied with the school. There is a lot of exposure for each and every child. We have seen a remarkable improvement in our child's confidence and speaking skills. Coming to activities, they are so unique. Like child can develop focus and discipline. Coming to teaching and non-teaching staff, they are so amazing. Like I feel like my child is very safe here. I congratulate this great success. And all the best for the future success. My child is happily learning here. I think my decision was right joining in the school. Once again, I thank the principal, teachers, and the non-teaching staff for the continuous care and support for my child. Thank you.
Namaste, we Kannan and Subha, parent of Mahat and Mahadi. My son is studying in senior KG and my daughter is studying in nursery in this kids school. My children are very talented and brilliant students. We needed a good school to further showcase my children's talent. Then we got this kids school. We really like the education system here. Activities, play method of education, writing skills, knowledge skills, field trips, etc. My son named Mahat came second in the Olympiad exam when he was studying nursery. But in this year, my son came first place in the Olympiad exam in the senior KG. We are very happy and proud to be studying at this school. Furthermore, organizing fancy dress competition and weekend speech events are very important for our children to develop more skills. And here celebrates all festivals. My daughter Mahadi has never said no to school even for a single day. She comes to school with great enthusiasm. Best wishes for growth of your education academic progress. Thank you, Kidsi.